All right, so today we're going to replace this curtain rod tensioner pulley. As we can see at the bottom, one of the sides is broken off, so we're going to replace that. We'll probably replace this piece too, move it a little bit to the right, because how this is sitting right now, it looks like it was probably actually extended out, which I don't think is a great idea. So let's go ahead and get a new one and get this replaced. We're gonna pick this thing up from Lowe's, but it is also available on Amazon. I will put a link in the description below. Don't forget to go ahead and like this video and give it a thumbs up below. I'd very much appreciate it. All right, so here it is, traverse cord tension pulley. Go ahead and grab one of these. All right, so let's go ahead and remove this string from this tension pulley thing. We'll just pry it open a little bit and pull it out. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so now that we have this open, we'll go ahead and put the string inside of this, and we will mount this somewhere probably on the wall. This one was a little bit too far down, so we will fix that. To open this, we will just push up on this and pull out, so just like that. And then we will just go ahead, place the string inside, and then close it up. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is mount this little clip onto the wall. I wanna screw this into a stud, and we see that there's an electrical outlet here. So on one side of this, there's gonna be a stud in the wall, and it sounds like it's on this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mount it right here. The reason I'm not gonna mount it here where we see that they probably had something before is because if I pull this that far down, the pulley actually pulls out quite a bit. So I just wanna put this here and call it good. All right, so it came with these little screws here. Make sure you pick a bit that is exactly the right size so you don't strip it. I don't know if these screws are gonna be long enough. If they're not, I brought these 2-inch screws that we will use. And that doesn't feel like it grabbed anything, so we're gonna move on to this bad boy. That's not straight, so I'm gonna get rid of this small one anyways. All right. Stick it in there like that. Then we're good. Pull down on this one. Perfect. That was it. If this video helped you, please give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. You all take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.